Morning. Sorry about the noise. My washing machine is very loud this morning. I didn't do any filming yesterday. It was my first day back at work, and so I had lots and lots of meetings, and then I spent last night sorting through all of my stickers, which took a lot longer than I thought it was going to take. So they're now all in one of the new sticker albums, and I am going to show you that at some point today. I thought I'd just do a bit of a flick through. I didn't film me putting the stickers in there because I would have had like hours and hours worth of literally me just putting in stickers, and didn't think you'd really want to see that. But I will show you the end result. Excuse me. I have just had something exciting turn up as well. It's too big for me to lift. So in a minute I'll flip the camera and I will show you. So the box is massive, but it's my new chair. Work have kindly paid for a new chair for me because I spend so long sat at my desk, and I am based from home as well. So I'm really excited to get it out of the box and put it together, because the chair I'm sitting on now has got zero padding and just gives me a bad back and a numb bum. So I'm very excited to get this set up. So my sticker album is getting quite full. I actually found this quite therapeutic. So I had sheets of stickers in my folder that I'd had for years and years, and they were ones that I had been hoarding, and I probably wouldn't have used, to be honest. So the fact that I had to actually take them off of the sheet to put them in here is going to make me actually use them now. So I think it's a good thing doing this, and I can't believe the amount of sheets that I actually managed to fit in here too, that have come out of the little album. I think I've shown you the album in the past, or the folder, sorry, and it was bursting, it was so full, and I've managed to get them all in here, and this is still flat. And I have still got loads of pages left as well, which is good because I found more sheets that I need to put in here. So I'm glad that I've still got tons of room. So I need to add those ones in. I might have to have a little think about. So I've got the ones I found are all my weather icons that I use daily. So I have that little folder in my B6 Stationery with my daily ones, but I think I want to add them into here so that I've just got one place to look, and it will make me use more of what I've got as well. So I might put the ones I use daily in the back, because they're not going to fall into the categories that I've already done now, which will annoy me. So the next thing I am going to do with this is make some tabs, because as you can see, I've put things together that are the same. Like here we've got all the shopping icons together, and we've got like the me time and the relax. What's on the next page? These are all the planner ones together. So I want to put some little tabs in so that I can see from a distance which one's where. So it's been a drawing day today. The drawings I'm about to show you are all ones that I have drawn before. So a couple of them I think did appear in the shop maybe years and years ago, but they haven't been in the shop recently. So I thought I would redraw them in my newer style and then pop them in the shop. I mean, there's one right at the very end that I don't think you've seen before at all. It was one that I drew a long time ago, and I never really got around to finishing it properly, so it didn't appear in the shop. So I'm excited for you to see the last one. Hi everyone, it's been a busy few days. Back to work this week, and I have been studying in the evenings over the last couple of days, so I haven't done an awful lot bits of stationery wise. So I'm actually studying to become a personal trainer. I do my level 2 and my level 3, so I'm kind of doing that in between everything else, but no, it's all going good at the moment. If you do fancy following me on my journey, then I'll leave my Instagram in the description below for my personal training. But I did get some time last night to sit and do some orders. So I have already taken those to the post office this morning, and they are well on their way, and sent out all the dispatch notifications for those. I've got a few more bits to work on today. I have also done quite a bit of drawing this week, as you've seen from the clips that I've shared. So my next job is to sit and make some tabs. The hobonichi tabs, I've got an example here. This one hasn't got the foil on yet, so I need to sit and restock those. So that is my first job, so that might take me a little while. I've also got a massage today, which I'm so excited about. I haven't had one in about 4 months, and I usually have one like every month. So I suffer quite a lot with my shoulders and my back. And it goes back to sort of various jobs that I've had, but a lot of what I've been doing is sort of the way I sit. And I mean, I'm very good now at sitting up straight and trying to be better with my posture. But I do a lot of jobs that involve, lots of typing. My shoulders are always sort of up quite a bit, and I'm at a desk a lot. So I do need a massage at least once a month to try and work all of that out. And I'm so behind. I've got 4 months worth of tension built up. So my poor massage therapist today is gonna have to work extra hard. But yeah, so I might be a bit floaty after that. I'm hoping it won't be too sore. I might be, because it's been quite a while. But I've got more jobs to do later on. But I'll take you with me though, so you can see where I go. And I will catch up with you in a bit in regards to the tabs. I've printed the tabs off ready, and now they just need to be cut. I've got a few of these to do, so I'm going to cut them next. Back from my massage and I'm all floaty now. I couldn't show you anything while I was there because she's recently moved premises and it's still not quite ready yet. So it was ready enough for clients to start going, but I thought I'd wait for her to finish it all off, add a little finishing touches, and then next time I go I can show you. So I have a PR order to work on for one of my PR girls. So they order themselves rather than me send things to them each month. So they have their own code, and then they can pick what they want and add to basket and then check out that way. I'd rather do it like that so that I know that what they're using is stuff that they actually want, rather than me just sending them things that might not necessarily be their style. So they place them at sort of different times through the month. So I only have one to do at the moment. So I will go through that with you and show you what has been ordered and then pack it all up. Hi! So today has been a bit of a busy one. I've done all of my housework, so completely boring. I normally do it on a Saturday, but yesterday was a bit busy too, so I ended up doing it all today. That's now all done, so I am just printing at the moment. Let me just take them off the printer. So I'm just printing the girls that I drew, that I showed you earlier on. So there's a lot of printing going on, printing them all at once. And then I'm going to start cutting those in a bit. It is quite late in the day, so I won't film that and add that in because I need to now get the vlog edited so that it can go live tonight. And it does take me a couple of hours to sort all that out and get that because of my slow internet. But yeah, that's my job anyway. And then once I have finished printing all of these off and I've cut them, I'm going to do a little bit of studying while the vlog is uploading. And then tonight I'm going to sit and do some planning because I haven't done any planning this week. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that. Sit and have a bit of a chill and do my planning, ready for the new week. And then I'll take some pictures tomorrow as well, so you can see what I've been doing this week, planner-wise. So thank you for watching another vlog, week 8, my goodness. As always, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. Love to chat to you all, and like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.